Welcome to the Bridges Excel Learning Series, where we take your Excel skills to the next level. In this video, we will show you basic functions, sum, average, and count, and how to apply them to your data set. The sum function adds values. You can add individual values, cell references, or ranges, or a mix of all three. To begin any function, type the equal sign in the cell, then spell out the function name, sum. To find the sum of a group of values, we highlight the value group after typing in the function. In this case, to find the sum of the GDP per capita between 2002 and 2017 in Afghanistan, we type equal sum, then highlight all the GDP values. Press enter or return on a Mac, and you get back a value. Next, the average function returns the arithmetic mean of the arguments. Similar to the sum function, to find the average of the GDP per capita over 2002 and 2017, simply type equal, average, and highlight all the values for GDP per capita in this range. Press enter or return for the value. Lastly, the count function counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments. To count the number of GDP data points available for Afghanistan, type equal, count, and highlight all the rows that have GDP values for Afghanistan. Press enter or return on a Mac for the value. Now, here's a quick tip. You can easily count by highlighting the cells and checking the count numbers below the Excel frame. Check out our website for more presentations. You can also download the dataset to practice the functions yourself.